Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 9AT, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And to get started, let's start off by grabbing a SIM ejector, as I have one right over here. Now this thing comes provided with the device always in the box, so you can get it from there, but you can also use a paper clip sticking on one of the ends and it should work just as well. So once you get that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. And when you push it in, the tray will pop out, as you can see, and you can take it out, and here you will have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. I'm gonna only occupy one of each. Once you place your cards on there, make sure that they're laying flush on the tray. So if I just hold them, here you can see that they are not protruding anywhere. Oops, try it again, there we go. So from here, once you have them on the tray, insert it back into the device carefully so they don't actually pop out of the place. And from here, it automatically asks me for the pin for the SIM card. So SIM card is obviously working, and I can already see a message for the SD card. So SD card is working as well. And that is how you insert both SIM and SD into this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.